Dr. Amalia Chavez is a leading microbiologist and mother to two, one being Earth's superhero Amalia Chavez. Alongside her wife, Amalia searches for a cure to her daughter's degenerative disease. Currently, Amalia's earliest history remains unknown. Hailing from the Bronx, she studies science and becomes a doctor with expertise in microbiology. She also meets and marries Elena. The pair have two daughters, Amalia and Catalina, both born with a genetic disease, Edges syndrome. Amalia earns her doctorate and becomes a scientist. Along with her wife Elena, she dedicates herself to finding out the cause of Edges syndrome when it becomes clear that both of their daughters had it. Though they came close to finding a cure, the pair did not fully succeed. Amalia later shows great bravery when she sacrifices herself in an attempt to save her wife and all of the other children affected by the disease. Amalia and her wife Elena have two girls, Amalia and Catalina. Both girls possess the genetic markers for Edges syndrome, though only Amalia shows symptoms. In an effort to find a cure, the Chavez scientists works for Mr. Gales to experiment on others dealing with the rare condition. These girls are dubbed the Starlings. All of them, including Amalia and Catalina, owe their lives to Amalia and Elena, who sacrificed themselves to save the children after Gale's methods become dangerously worrisome. After discovering that both Amalia and Catalina had Edges syndrome, a degenerative condition, Amalia and Elena both focused on finding a cure. Their work was eventually noticed by the mysterious Mr. Gales, who owned a research facility on an island off the coast of Long Island. Gales had developed a chamber called the Utopian Parallel that harnessed the unique energies of the island that allowed for time and space to move differently within. Exposure appeared to help the afflicted cells properly deal with Edges syndrome. While Amalia noted a lack of research on that kind of energy, Elena wondered about side effects. Still, after Gales played on their emotions by reminding them that the treatments could help Amalia, but also that Catalina's presence would also be greatly beneficial because she possessed the Edges gene, but did not display any symptoms. After a great deal of soul searching, they agreed to move to the island research facility and try to develop a cure. During their time on the island, Amalia and Elena made great strides testing a group of girls dubbed the Starlings. Thanks to exposure to the Utopian Parallel, Amalia even appeared to be in remission. However, when Gales became overly interested in the new powers Amalia developed during her treatments, the Chavez grew concerned. Elena wanted to get the family out of there, but Amalia was concerned about Amalia fitting in the regular world. Realizing they needed to get themselves and the Starlings off the island, they developed a plan. After hacking the systems and drugging Gales, Elena grabbed their daughters while Amalia freed the other girls. After she was spotted by the cameras, Amalia led the guards to the chamber. While on the phone with her wife and kids, she professed her love as she threw a grenade into the chamber while security personnel ran towards her, apparently perishing in the ensuing explosion. Gales shot and killed Elena not long after, though Amalia and all the Starlings, except Catalina, managed to escape. After Amalia and Elena's deaths, Amalia created a fantasy reality in which she and her super scientist moms lived in an out-of-time place called the Utopian Parallel. Amalia believed this to be the truth until she reunited with Catalina, who forced her to remember. Catalina had not only been continuing their parents' research, but also thought that Amalia could open a portal and bring back their moms. While trying, they heard Amalia and Elena's voices, but the portal drew Catalina in. Though Amalia lost her sister, she made sure that the research she carried on from their moms became public knowledge.